Hey guys, before we get started in our birdhouse book, I thought it might be fun if we try to imitate some animal sounds. The word imitate means that we're going to act like it. So are you guys ready? We're going to try some. Okay, first I want you to quack like a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Now I want you to tweet like a songbird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Now I want you to hoot like now. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. And now I want you to peck like a woodpecker. Wow, so we have quack, 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 quack. As you can see, it's excited my dog. And we have tweet, 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 tweet. And we have hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. And we have peck, 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 peck. There's one more I want to try. I want to try a goose. Now, I know geese like to honk. Are you guys good at honking? Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Okay, so let's go through them one more time. Ready? Quack, 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 quack. It's okay, Annie. I'm not a real duck. Tweet, 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 tweet. This bird is going to throw Annie her little toy. Then we have an owl. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. And a woodpecker. Peck, 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 peck. And then finally, a goose. Honk, 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 honk. So I want you to get up and move and try these.